Performing alignments at your shop has never been easier, especially with the Quick Measure mode on the CWA 6500 3D Aligner. Our 3D Aligner comes with two measurement modes, Standard and Quick. A standard measurement walks you through the compensation and alignment process, while a quick measurement allows you to perform a compensation quickly, so you can get the auto-printed inspection sheet to your customer faster and easily justify an alignment and provide a needed service. With its durability and ease of use, the COATS CWA 6500 3D Aligner not only gives you an outstanding alignment capability, it also allows your shop to secure those profitable worn chassis component jobs that go hand in hand with maintaining proper front-end geometry. Plus, it rolls from bay to bay and works with almost any lift to keep your operation flexible and profitable. When it comes to unmatched quality and shop-proven equipment, trust the world leader in wheel service equipment, COATS.